Do you know there are so many job opportunities for people with data analysis skills?
And here is how you can learn these skills and get a well-paying job faster.
Data analysis is one of the top paying digital skills in Nigeria and globally. But the secret to get hired is how you learn it.
The fastest way to become a data analyst is through practical hands-on training. Watching YouTube tutorials may not help much. You need to make use of tools like Excel, Power BI, Python, SQL to build real solutions businesses need. When you learn by doing, you gain confidence and real experience employers need.
Before you finish learning, you have to build real life projects. For example, customer behavior dashboard, sales forecasting model, data cleaning, and automation workflow. This project alone can make the difference between no response and your hired feedback after your interview.
Upload your projects and dashboard on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Show the world what you can do and talk about the skills you learned, the tools you used, and the results you achieved. Because HR managers now hire directly from your social media portfolio.
Start applying for jobs with your portfolio link. Many companies don't just want certificates, they want your work. Your practical projects will make you stand out immediately.
So if you want a well-paying data analysis job, learn practically, build real projects, and showcase them online.
These are what you get when you register and learn with Bizmarrow technology. I still remain your girl, Joy, and with me is
Victory.
till see you next time.
Bye.